So from the 2023 WAEC pass question, we're making a freehand sketch of the orthographic projection. It's given in third angle projection. The three views of an object given in third angle projection are shown in figure 1, and this is the figure 1. So we have the in orthographic projection, we have the plan, which is at this top left part. Then we have at the bottom left is the front view, which is the front elevation, and the bottom right is the side elevation. So in this video I explained what a first angle projection is and a third angle projection. So the views are given in third angle projection, and we are asked to make a freehand sketch of the pictorial view of the object, making M the lowest point. And also in this video I explained what it means when you are asked to make M or a letter the lowest point. So here we have the M and we also have the M here, and we are asked to make it the lowest point. Watch that video to understand what they meant, but I will still explain briefly about it in this video. So we are making a freehand sketch with the views given. So we have to use these views to join the blocks together to give us the isometric block. So for the first part, we are having the front elevation, but we have to understand what we are given, so don't mind this part. Alright, so let's keep it like this. Good, we have to understand what we are given. This is the front view, what we are seeing from the front. Looking at the front direction, we'll be seeing this part here. Looking at the side, what would we be also seeing? We'll be seeing how the L form, so telling us that this is not just a straight block, it has demarcations. So the demarcations are here. So the length of this front part is not just straight, it's not just plain, it cuts, and the cutting is here. Looking at the side direction, I see the cutting. So from looking at the front, the block goes up to 3 cm. Then at this point of 3 cm, it entered inside, which is this. The entered inside continued up, which is where it stops here. Good. So now looking at this front, we also see the demarcation in the middle, telling us that this baseline is not just running through, it also cuts here. And how do we know it cuts? Using the plan. So the plan showed us it cuts here. So this part runs and stops at 4 cm. So at this 4 cm, it enters inside, then continues. So looking at the side, we're also seeing where it continues. So this line here is for this one, then this one here is for this one, which is this part. Alright, so we also have this curve looking at the front direction, and looking at the top, it is here in this middle part. But looking at the top, we'll not see the curve, we'll just see a straight, a plain surface, because we're not looking at the front. So it's when we look at the front to see that there's a curve here. Good. Then the side, we're having this hidden detail showing us that there's something that is hiding. Looking at the side, you can't see it because it's in the middle, the curve is not here. So this hidden detail, this line, shows that there's something that is hidden, which is this curve that is in the middle of this part here. So this is the little we can take. Then for the M point, the M signifies that this is where your work will start from. Alright, that is M. Our drawing is always in 30 degrees, like this. Good. So this 30 degrees, our starting point is this M. So this M now, looking at the top, it is here, and looking at the front, it is here. And remember, this baseline does not just run through, it cuts at this front part, it cuts at 4, enters inside, which is this, then continue and stop here. So this baseline is demarcated. So this is the starting point here, looking at the front, which is this part. Remember, good. And looking at the top, it is here, which is this, because this is for this is for this. Alright, so the end point is here, which is here and here. So when starting with this end point given, that is what they mean by making M the lowest point. So let's go straight to the drawing aspect. Good. So we have our first part is here, which is this. So in this one, the dimensions are given. In the last video I did, the 2024 past question, dimensions are not given. We have to recreate by ourselves. But since the dimensions are given in this one, we make use of the dimensions, alright? But we'll just use our mind eyes to get the dimensions. Not that we'll necessarily use the dimensions, alright? Because it's a freehand sketch, we'll not make use of ruler, but we'll just use our mind eyes to know that this line is 2.5 cm, this line is 2 cm, like that. Good. So it's only when we are drawing the isometric block that's when we make use of the dimensions, because we make use of ruler. But this is a freehand sketch, we make use of only the pencil. So let's go straight to the drawing. So we're having this first part here, and we're having this side, which is this here, and it's giving us 4.5 cm. That's from here to here, which is here to here, 4.5 cm. So we draw for this first part here. So let's say be 4.5. Good. Then after here it enters inside by, this is 2.5 and this is 2.5, which is 5 cm. Then this middle part here, the total length for this part is 8 cm. So this is 5, this is 2.5, this is 2.5, which is 5. 5 plus 1 to give you 8 cm. Mass x is equals to 8 minus 5, which is equals to 3. So here is 3 cm, 30 millimeter, which is 3 cm. So this part, 3 cm divided by 2, because here is in the middle. 2 cm divided by 2 is 1.5. So 2.5 plus 1.5 is giving us 4 cm. So here is 4, which is this. So we do not have to do the mass There's no need of the mass because it's already given 4. Sorry about that. So here will be 4, it has inside. Good. This is 4.5, so this has to be longer. And this is 4. Then after that, we also have it came out by 2 cm. So this 2 cm. So here will be 2. Using our mind eyes. Then it goes inside by 4 again. So we take it in by 4. Good. So let's say they are looking equal, right? Then let's take the vertical line so that it will be confusing for you. So the height for this front part is 3 cm. Looking at the front view, it's 3. So just draw it up somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Then let's also take this edge 3. Then we take the last part. Good. So let's call this 3. Then we join the points together. So after that, we take this part up by 7 cm. So this is 7 cm. Then let's finish the side. It enters inside, which is here. Okay, sorry, you're not seeing it. It enters inside by this part here, 2 cm. So we'll take it inside by 2. Then after it enters inside, it goes up here by 4 cm, which is this. So here is longer, it's looking more than 4. So let's take it to be here as 4. Then join it together. So we are done with the side. Then now let's finish the front. So this part enters inside, stops here. So this is this 4 cm by 4 cm. So we take it in by 4. We then join it together with this. Good. So after that, then we take it up by 4 cm, which is on that side here. 4. Good. Then you can see it is this part where it comes in by 2.5. Here too is 2.5. So we bring it here, square here 2.5, let's square here 2.5, and this side should be 3 cm. The middle, remember. So this is where the curve is. So we have to make the curve now. Then we curve it in. Good. So this is the curve Then we are done with the front, which is this. Then we have to finish with the plan on the top. This is this part here. It's for here, which is 2.5 cm. Here. So here is the front view, which is this what we are seeing. This part is for this part here is for this part, this curve is this part here. Good. Then for the side, this part here is for this part, and this L form is for this part here. Then for the plan, this part here is this is for this is also for this, and this is for this. So we are done with drawing the freehand sketch, giving the 3 phases of the object in third angle projection. If you have any question, do well to ask in the comment section, and also subscribe.